Today, guys, I got a package. I already took it out the box. So, hold on, guys. I already took the thing I got from the box, guys. I got this unicorn. So let's take it out. Let's show some shot with this stuff. Oh, keep this. Below it says like dream. Yeah, dreams. Or unicorn. Or say dreams. Yeah, say dreams. And then got a cobalt box up here. And look at this. This is what I'm gonna be using for tonight. See you guys, so quick. Oh yeah, I got this. Comment down below if this is a girl or a boy. I don't know yet. Like there, see, like there. Circle. A girl or a GRR. Or girl, that's a girl. This is a girl, that's a, or BOY. Oh, that's a boy. That's like a boy. Comment down below if it's a girl or boy. Please, I don't know what is it. See you guys. Bye. This Captain Marvel anyway. So yeah. And look at my Fortnite outfit. Got it from Walmart. See.